Next important question is, by the elementary operation find inverse of matrix A, and A is given 3 by 3. Now we have gone with the certain rules for finding the inverse for 3 by 3. So I am going with that rules only. You can use any of the operation whatever you think is good for the question and which saves the time. Okay, so this is a question from your NCERT book. Now step number 1, we are starting with, first of all what we have to write, always to start we are writing A is equal to IA. So our question becomes now 2 minus 3 3, 2 2 3, 3 minus 2 2. Starting from the first step, I 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 with A. Now what we were supposed to do, left hand side we are making identity matrix. Whenever we are changing whatever we are applying the operations, that will be applied to both the sides, and when this will be becoming identity matrix, then definitely this part will become inverse of A. Okay, so starting from step number 1. Now step 1 is to make A11 0. Okay, step 1, make A11 is equal to 1. A11 we have to make 1, not 0. Okay, step 1. Now R1 approaches to 1 upon A11 into R1, or R1 approaches to 1 upon 2 R1. Okay, so this is our step number 1. Now step 1 we are having, now we have to apply step 1 on this side. Okay, so step 1 is 1 minus 3 by 2, 3 by 2, I have applied row 1 divided by 2. Okay, so we are having now 2 2 3 and 3 minus 2 2. Okay, and this side we are having 1 by 2 0 0, 1 by 2 0 0, 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now this is step number 1. We are now, for step 2 we have to use this part. Okay, so I am writing here now step 1, make A11 is equal to 1, and the result is 1 minus 3 by 2, 3 by 2, then we are having 2 2 3 and 3 minus 2 and 2. 3 minus 2 2, whatever is in the question, and this side it becomes 1 by 2 0 0, 0 1 0 and 0 0 1 with A. R1 we have applied as half R1. Okay, so this was step 1. Okay, now moving for step 2. Moving for step 2, we have to use this part for step number 2. Okay, so for step 2, now step 2 is make A21 is equal to 0, A31 is equal to 0. We have to make A21 and A31 both 0. Now what we are applying for this part, we are applying this part, let me write this side only, direct we are writing it. Okay, now step 2. For step 2 we have to change A21 and A31 now. R2 approaches to R2 minus 2 R1 and R3 approaches to R3 minus 3 R1. Now what steps we have taken here? If you remember, it was R2 approaches to R2 minus A21 into R1 and R3 approaches to R3 minus A31 into R1. Okay. So this step now we are going to apply for step 2. We are changing row 2 and row 3, row 1 is not changed. Okay. So 1 minus 3 by 2, 3 by 2 is equal to half 0 0 with A. Okay. Now we have to change only step 2. We have to calculate it. We have to simplify this top. Okay. So here I am writing both the steps here. R2 approaches to R2 minus 2R1 and R3 approaches to R3 minus 3R1. Okay. So after calculating this part, now this becomes what? This becomes 2 minus 2 times of 1. 2 minus 2 times of minus 3 by 2. 3 minus 2 times of 3 by 2. Similarly 0 minus 2 times of 1 by 2. Okay. 0 here minus 2 times of 1 by 2. 1 minus 2 times of 0, 0 minus 2 times of 0. So we are getting this as 0, 5, 0 and this part we are getting as minus 1, 1 and 0. Now for step number 3. Step number 3 also it is 3. Now 3 minus 3 times of 1. Minus 2 minus 3 times of minus 3 by 2. Similarly, for we have to apply for both the sides. We are getting 0 minus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Here it is plus 0 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 and minus 3 by 2 0 and 1. Okay, we are getting this as a step 2. Now for step 3. Now for step 3 we have to, for step 3 you can write here, make A21 is equal to A31 is equal to 0. Now step 3. Step 3 is what? Step 3, make A22 is equal to 1. We have to make A22. Now we have to make this as a 1. Okay. So what we are going to do? R1 approaches to 1 upon A22 into, sorry, R2 approaches to 1 upon A22 into R2. Now step 3, make A22 is equal to 0. Now we are changing only second row. Okay. So it is 1 minus 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 0, 1, 0, 0, 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2. And this side we are getting. Now what we have applied? We have applied 1 upon A22, means we have divided second row by 5. Okay. So half 0, 0, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, minus 3 by 2, 0 and 1 with A. So we are having 3 steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Now let's move for step number 4. Okay. Now step 4. Step 4. Now what we are going to do for step 4? Now in the step 4 we have to make A32 as 0. We have to make now this as a 0. Okay. So make A32 is equal to 0. Now how we are going to proceed this one? We are going to proceed with R3 approaches to R3 minus A32 with R2. Okay. So here also I have just forgot to write it. It was R2 approaches to 1 upon 5 into R2. Okay. So I forgot to write this one. Now here we have to go with R3 approaches to R3 minus, now 832 is 5 by 2, okay, 5 by 2 with R2. Now what we are getting, we are changing only third row, okay. So we are having 1, we are writing this part, 1 minus 3 by 2 and 3 by 2, then 0 1 0 and then 0. Now we have to change this part, okay. So here it becomes half 0 0 minus 1 by 5 1 by 5 0, and now for the last row. After calculation, now this was 0 minus 5 by 2 times 0, it is 0, okay. Then 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 times 1, 0, okay. Then minus 5 by 2, we have to write here minus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 times 0, okay. So this becomes minus 5 by 2, okay. Similarly, we can calculate R, whole the thing we are having minus 1 by 2 and 1, okay. So we have applied this step. Now this was step number 4. Now let's start with step 5. Step 5. Now in step 5 what we are doing, we have to make A33 is equal to 1. Easy step. What it was? R3 approaches to 1 upon A33 R3. Now what is A33? It is minus 5 by 2. Now 1 upon minus 5 by 2 becomes what? R3 approaches to minus 2 by 5 R3. Now it means we have to we have to multiply by minus 2 by 5 or we have to divide by minus 5 by 2, okay. So this becomes, we are changing only third row, okay. From here 1 minus 3 by 2 3 by 2 0 1 0, multiplying this by minus 2 by 5 है 0 0 1. Similarly this side we are having 1 by 2 0 0 minus 1 by 5 1 by 5 and 0. Now third row, we are having third row and it will be, after calculating, we will be having 2 by 5 1 by 5 and minus 2 by 5. Now we are having step 5th is over. Now we will be moving to step 6. Now step 6 is, for step 6 we have to make, now we have made this as a 1, okay. So now finally we have to make in step 5 this as a 1. Now we have to make this as a 0 and this as a 0. This is already 0, so we will be doing only making 813 as a 0, okay. Now step 6, make 813 is equal to 0. We are applying R1 approaches to R1 minus 813 into R3, okay, with R3 means with this 1, 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into 1, that is again 0, okay. So now we are changing only row 1, okay. So we are having 1, we have to change row 1, this whole, okay. So now applying 1 minus 1 into 0, that is 1 as it is 1, then minus 3 by 2, this minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus, let me write here, it is R1 approaches to R1 minus 813 is what? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into R3. Now it will become easy, okay. So second row and third row we are not changing, we are changing only row 1. We are changing only row 1. So it means second and third row we are not changing. So let me write it 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. Similarly this side minus 1 by 5 1 by 5 and 0 and 2 by 5 1 by 5 and minus 2 by 5. So we have not changed row 1. Now we are applying row 1 for this particular part. Okay. So here we are having now, when row 1 will be changed, when we are applying, it will become 1 minus 3 by 2 0. Similarly this side it will be minus 1 by 10 minus 3 by 10 and 3 by 5. After calculation we will be getting this part. Okay. So this becomes now 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Okay. So this, now this becomes, step number 6 becomes this one. Okay. So let it be like this only. Now last thing is left, that is A12. Okay. So finally we are on now step 7. Step 7, make A12 is equal to 0. We have to make A12 0. Now R1 approaches to R1 minus A12 into R2. This minus this one multiplied by 3 by 2. Okay. So now this becomes R1 approaches to R1 minus 3 by 2 into R2, and this becomes R1 plus 3 by 2 R2. It becomes R1 plus 3 by 2 into R2. Okay. So now what finally it becomes, after calculation this will become 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, sorry 0 0 1 is equal to, now this side after calculation, now here it becomes R1 is minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 into R2 is 1, minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 again 0. Similarly for this side now we will be having, after finding R1 for the left hand side, for the right hand side it will be now, after calculation it will be minus 2 by 5 0 3 by 5, then minus 1 by 5 1 by 5 0 2 by 5 1 by 5 and minus 2 by 5. Okay. So now left hand side becomes an identity matrix. So we have done almost 90% of the question, 95% of the question. So what we have done now, step 1 we have used, step 1, step 2, step 3, then step 4, step 5, okay, then step 6 and step 7. Okay. So with 7 steps we got our A inverse. Now multiplying both sides by A inverse. Okay. Now this becomes identity matrix. Now I into A inverse is equal to minus 2 by 5, or I can just take minus 1 by 5 common. We are having I into A inverse is equal to minus 1 by 5, we are taking common. Okay, minus 1 by 5 common. And now what is left? 2, 0, minus 3, 1, minus 1, 0, minus 2, minus 1 and 2. Okay. So here we got the answer. So this is answer. Now you have to check once again. You can check this whole of the whiteboard is in front of you, so you can check it. Just check it, just check it, check it. Now just go step 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and finally the inverse part. Okay, so you can check it now. Whole of the steps are in front of you.